how to set up your Google business profile. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with your Google business profile and how to enter all your information and start managing your business on Google. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, you're just going to go onto google.com-business. So once you do that, all you have to do is click on Manage Now or Sign In. So you can just click on Manage Now over here, and then you can start managing your business. So I already have added one business, but I'm going to click on sign in over here, and I'm going to create a entire business on my Google business profile. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch accounts, and I'm going to show you guys how to get started from scratch. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to set up your profile by clicking on manage now, and we're just going to use a different account. And now once you do that, you're going to be asked, what is your business name? So first off, if you don't have your business added to Google already, you're just going to click on add business to Google, and then you're going to add your business name. So let's say our business is a salon, and then you're going to add your business category. So we're going to add beauty salon, and I'm going to name this Jane's Beauty Salon, and I'm just going to click on create a business with this name, and I'm just going to click on next over here. And once you click on next, you're going to add your physical location. So whatever physical location you are operating in, you're going to add that. So we're going to click on yes over here, and then you're going to add your address. So let's say it is Street 65, and then we're going to add the postal code, and then I'm just going to click on next over here. And once you do that, you're going to add some of your suggestions. So if you already have a business established, they will give you some suggestions, but we're going to click on none of these. And now you're going to add where you are located. So you're going to add the pin on your map. So I'm going to zoom out over here, and let's say I am located right over here. So what I would do is I would just take the red pin, and I'm just going to move it over here, and I'm going to zoom in. So I'm just going to place this over here. And now once you have added your physical location, you're going to click on next. And after that, you're going to add if you provide delivery to your customers. So let's say we do, and they have office visits as well. And then you can also add the areas you serve, but we're just going to skip this for now. And then you're just going to add your contact information and your website URL. So if I go on to my Wix sites, so I'm just going to go on to my Wix sites and link a website over here. And obviously you're going to link whatever website you are using. And if you don't have a website, you can easily build one for free using Google Sites, or you can build one using Wix as well. Both of these are very simple to use and easy options for you to build your store with. So I'm just going to copy my business URL, and I'm going to click on paste and click on next over here. And now I'm just going to continue like so, and we're just going to set up our profile. And now you're going to verify. So I'm going to enter my email, and now I'm just going to add this. Now you just have to verify your business, so you can add your website over here, and I'm going to verify later. And now what you're going to do is you're going to add the services that you provide on your business. So I have added this as a beauty salon. So let's say I do braids, I do hair extensions, eyebrow threading, and I can click on add custom service, and I can say body waxing. I could add makeup services. I could add bridal makeup. So I can add all of these different services, and this is falling under the makeup services section. So let's say I offer another service. Maybe I could offer eyelash extensions, and then I could offer something like dreadlocks or hairstyling, like that. So you're just going to add all of your services, and you can skip this and later on add them all together, but I just like to set up and add some of the basic few services right when I am setting up my business profile. So after that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on next over here, and once you click on next, you're going to choose your business hours. So I'm going to add opens at 24 hours, 24 hours, Tuesdays, 24 hours, 24 hours. So I'm gonna keep this at a 24 hours, and on Saturdays, maybe I close at 12 a.m. and opens at 12 p.m. So just like that, I have added my business hours, and you can also choose to accept messages. So it's very essential that you understand if you want to be able to communicate with your customers, then you're going to enable this. Or if you don't want to constantly have to check Google for messages and queries, then you can remove messaging. But I like to keep it on. It gives customers a sense of security when they can text you and ask you any questions that they have about your business. So I like to leave this on and click on next. And then you're going to add your business description. So this is the beauty salon. So I'm going to add the beauty treatment of your dreams are now here. So obviously I'm going to further elaborate. You can further elaborate. I'm going to skip this because I'm just showing you guys how to set this up, and I really don't have this actual business, so it really doesn't matter whatever kind of description that I add. But you're just going to click on next over here. And once you click on next, you're going to start adding photos. So you can click on add photos, and then you can select photos from your computer or drag or drop them onto the profile section. So let's say I'm just going to go onto Google and I'm going to search for beauty salon, and I'm just going to download images. So I've just taken these two images and I'm just going to drag and drop these over here as two reference images for my business. I definitely do recommend that you upload as many high quality images of your business over here, because images really do depict a very interesting story, and people will be very encouraged to visit or purchase items from you when they see that you're a actual, a live running business, some kind of scam or anything. Then you're just going to click on next over here. And once you click on next, you can start your advertising with Google Ads, but I'm going to skip for now. And my business profile is almost ready. So you can see this is what my business profile is currently looking like on my Google search. So Jane's Beauty Salon, this is the address, this is all I have, and you can edit your business information. You can add your phone numbers, question and answers, reviews. You can add links to different social medias as well. So let's say this is open 24 hours, this is my schedule, and you can add update. And maybe if you're closed for a certain day, you can add that, or if you're going to take a break for some time, you can add all of that information as well. And this will really enable you to have a very customer catered experience for your customers on Google Business. And you're now able to set up your own business on Google Business Profile Managers, and then you can later on just manage them from the dashboard over here. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family, and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything, and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.